Today we're going to be installing a medium stack slate urn for this customer in this beautiful backyard. He's already got a couple water features back here. The pond right behind me he actually built himself 35 years ago, and it's still here. He's got a nice pergola kind of seating area over there and another fountain behind me. As soon as you walk into the front of the yard, everything's just coming in and hitting you like a big wave, and it's very serene back here. It's a beautiful backyard again. So we're here to add on to that. Bully's already getting to work, digging out where we're gonna be putting some of the grass that's gonna come out of here, where our basin's gonna be. This is the spot where we're gonna have our basin located. We're gonna dig that down, bury it in, make sure it's all nice and tight, it's not gonna go anywhere. Then we're gonna take this guy right here, this is our medium urn, put that on there. We've got some rocks with us in the truck over there in the driveway, and we're gonna make this look like it was already here and it just belongs. So Bully's digging away over there. I might as well go help him, right guys? He's gonna kill me. Okay, I'm gonna quit talking to you guys and go get some work done. Bo is at the bottom of our excavation here for our aqua basin. He's gonna go around, make sure all the little rocks and any uneven surfaces are flattened out, so that way this thing sits correctly and all the water won't be lopsided. We're going to one end of the basin. Now you want to make sure that this is completely level, because if it's not, the water might end up on the wrong side where the pump isn't sitting, and then that could lead to having pump issues with overheating or not getting enough water. So to prevent that, we make sure that the hole is perfectly level. With our 4-foot level, we go back and forth, and then once we put our basin in, we'll do the same thing on top of that. And then once we get our basin in and it's all leveled up, we're gonna go around and pack in all the sides nice and tightly, so that way it doesn't shift or move as time goes on. Our liner's in, this is our splash pad. The urn will sit on top of this and it'll act as a extra barrier between the grass and the water, so that way all of it just ends up going back into the basin underneath the urn, and it can just keep recirculating. The urn is set in place. We've got our gravel inside here. The pipe is level side to side, back and forth, so that is good. Bully was just working on getting the hole where our light is going to be, which is right here, all nice and sealed up with our foam. Then we're going to take our hole saw here and go through here so we can get our 1-inch pipe through that. And then we'll put the top on there and start placing our gravel and our rocks to really make it look like it belongs here. Now that we've got all of our lights situated, we've got one in the corner here, one over here, and we've got our top light in the urn itself. Bully did a nice job foaming that in there. That's nice and sealed up. It's going to look great with the water shooting out right above it. Now we're working on getting our rocks placed in there. so that way they blend in with the little slope that we have behind it, and to try and blend it with the rest of the yard next to it. And we're gonna take our bags of gravel here, start filling that in, and we can start burying the rest of our liner and wash this thing down. All right guys, we're all finished up with this. I'm so excited to show you the end product with this. Let's get to it. And just like that, the medium stack slate, wow, I can't talk. And just like that, we've completed the install for this medium stack slate urn. And Bully, you did an awesome job. Now that we've shown you guys what it looks like, let's go get our happy customers and see what they think. Now you've been outside watching us do this all day.
Right.
What do you think?
Fantastic job. Beautiful. Couldn't ask for anything better. You guys do great work, neat, everything. Fantastic. Even Toto likes it.
Toto likes it too. He's so cute. Hey puppy. Do you want to smell me? Is that going to calm you down?
No, you guys did a fabulous job. Really.
Fantastic.
Good job. And the thing is, you're neat. You didn't make a mess at all.
No, it's fantastic. I love it.
We try to make it look like we weren't even here.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
It's beautiful.
I'd recommend it to anybody.
Yes.
Awesome. Well, thank you guys so much.
Yeah, thank you.
It was a pleasure. Seriously.
Thank you.
Right.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's beautiful. Fantastic.
If you guys enjoyed watching us install that mediums, Jesus. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, head down to the comments, leave a... What? Now, I know me and Bully had a ton of fun with this, and so did the homeowners. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. It really helps the channel a lot. And make sure you hit that subscribe button so you get notified to come back and always check out more of these awesome videos that we're putting out. But this is only because of you guys. So thank you, and stay tuned for the next one.